Hey everybody, it's Tom here. It's great to have you back on the channel. Today we are going to be doing another review on the Partner with Anthony program. So yeah, a Partner with Anthony review. Today we are looking at session number 19. So if you're looking for information regarding the Partner with Anthony program, remember I have the links below that you can check out. There is a link in there for a free training video that Anthony has provided, and it's a brilliant video. It really has a lot of information, and as I say, it's totally free. Totally free. Again, session 19 is an absolute beauty, but also in the description you will find a free download for my ebook, How to Be an Online Entrepreneur. Just a little bit of guidance that I put together early on in my Partner with Anthony program days, just to give myself a little bit of direction. It was just something that I felt that I needed to do. So yeah, that again is a totally free download, and by all means, again, it's not a big read. I think 5 or 6 chapters, like paragraphs I should say, not chapters. So yeah, it's kind of basic, but it tells you, I believe, the things that you'll need to, or not learn, but discover and understand if you want to, continue on this online entrepreneur or entrepreneurial journey, which is just fascinating. It's a whole new world for me, and hopefully it's a whole new world for you. While we're on that, look, early on, I was super frustrated with not only myself, but basically people trying to rip me off. There's a lot of fly-by-night type of, I hate using the word scam, but I guess I'm going to have to. These scams, I get so angry when people try to rip people off. The reason I'm doing this YouTube channel is to try and give people that are looking into this program a bit of a heads up and a bit of knowledge on what they can expect. And also I wanted to do the channel for people that are in the Partner with Anthony program, that maybe if they're a little bit stuck, they can reach out to me, and I'm happy to help them out in any way, shape or form that I can. But I really do feel that frustration, and like I said, I used to get frustrated, but I know where you're coming from. And look, this Partner with Anthony program, if you are not in it, even if you are in it, right? Again, if you're not in it, you need to join, because it's fantastic. It really is fantastic. The amount of information and the amount of stuff that you learn, for us people that are, let's say, middle-aged, okay? A lot of us struggle to learn online things, techie type things with computers and whatnot. But with Partner with Anthony, you do not need, and I say this all the time, you do not need to be a tech guru. You do not need a ton of time, only a little bit of time every day, just small blocks every day. And with that, you don't need a ton of effort, because it's designed in a way that you can go at your own pace, step by step, held by the hand, all the way from session 1 to session 30. Importantly, you do not need a ton of money, okay? $7 US a month. Like any business, you're going to need tools, and by tools, when I say tools, to have an online business, okay, you need a couple of tools. If you want to build an email list, which is very, very important, because as soon as you get somebody's email address and you put them on a list, and let's just say, you know, you're doing solo ads or Facebook ads or whatever, and people are opting into your, you know, your opt-in page. They give you their email. That when you build that list, that means that you can market that list. You can send offers to that list and products and services to that list time and time again with the right emails. Not spammy, you know, salesy emails. Well-constructed emails with really good copywriting. And when I say copywriting, it has to be, imagine talking to someone, because you have to remember an email is somebody, okay? So when you do your email, just the way that I sort of, you know, give my advice is pretend you are talking to someone. But yeah, again, going back to the frustration thing, you know, it's not a big effort to join this PWA program, and the tools you'll need an autoresponder to build your list. To build your landing pages, you'll need ClickFunnels account or you know, I don't know if a WordPress, I'm not sure if a WordPress web page, I'm not sure about. All I can talk about is ClickFunnels, because I have ClickFunnels. It seems like everybody just has a ClickFunnels account, and it's so simple to make a basic email opt-in page. You have your copy, your little area where you want the email to go, and the little button underneath to say click here or submit now or proceed or whatever you want to put on it, you know. But yeah, this program took away my frustration because it was structured. It was structured towards people that weren't techie like me. It was structured towards people that are what I call everyday people like me. It is structured towards mums and dads, you know, grandmother, grandfather, auntie, uncle, brother, sister, you know, whatever the case. And you know what, even if you do have younger kids that are very good at computers, they can help you out. Or if you have, you know, nieces or nephews or brothers or sisters, they can help you out. It's that type of program. And, you know, so like I said, you know, the frustration I do understand, and you know, to make money online in 2020 and beyond, who knows what's out there? Who knows what the future holds for us? We're in isolation. Why not upskill yourself? You may as well give yourself a skill that you can, you know, it's not a prehistoric skill that you're going back 20 years to get a trade in something that nobody even wants you to do anymore. This is relevant to today's market, and if you are online, you are up with it, okay? If you're not online and you have a business, excuse me, you're going to struggle. You will struggle. Online, everything is online now. But to session 19, before we get to session 19, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a whole heap. It really would help me out a bunch. Leave a comment, tell me you've subscribed, and I'll get back to you. I promise I will. Okay, session 19. Anthony will kick off session 19 with a little introduction to letting you know that words, the words that we speak, or the words that we put in our emails, or the words that we put on our landing pages, they matter. every word that you type out matters. Remember, like I said before, you are talking, when you send an email or you're putting some copy on a landing page, you're talking to people. So you've got to remember that words matter. Everything you say has an impact in some way, shape or form with someone. So if you can make it, you know, that it's actually you know, that's talking through your copy, in my opinion, I think you can't go wrong. There's always going to be tweaks and things that we learn along our journey. You don't stop learning. You never stop learning, because it's such a new market for someone like me. I've been doing construction for 25 years. Hands-on, basic work, back-breaking work. Then I stumbled across this and I'm just like, amazing, absolutely amazing. So you're going to find out that words matter and that words, they sell. Words do sell, okay? And when you combine the right words with the right marketing, you just go, everything will just be blowing up. Everything will scale. It's like when two things come together that are supposed to mix, you know, the right marketing with the right words, and in particular, if it's the right product for that person. Yeah, incredible. He's going to also fill you in on, there are basically two types of buyers. There's the emotional buyer and there's the logic buyer. And look, there's statistics that will say that, you know, either male or female or one or the other, I forget what it is. But to know and to understand how to market to both types of people, you know, with one being a very emotional type of person, as in when it comes to buying, and the other one is a very logical type of person when it comes to buying. And also you're going to learn the effect of Facebook on your business. Like the Facebook effect can be, again, Facebook, look, it's huge, huge. You don't need me to tell you how big it is. The Facebook effect, guys, if you can nail Facebook, you are going to just be out of control successful. I'm telling you, because once you crack, you know, I don't know, because I'm hearing that Facebook can be a tough nut to crack, but apparently once you crack that nut, it's, yeah, the gate's open, which kind of makes sense because the volume of traffic on Facebook every single day is mind-blowing, guys, mind-blowing. It's just, when you think like a marketer, you know, you kind of think all these different scenarios. Look, I lay awake in bed half the time just thinking of you know, it's a complete change for me. You know, I used to come home from work and, you know, maybe have a beer and, you know, obviously, you know, speak to my wife and my kids and ask, you know, everybody would talk and how's everyone's day, but it was, you know, same thing every day, grind and grind and grind, and then, you know, good night, off to bed and lay down and out like a light. But now I still come home from work and do all them things, but I lay in bed and think, wow, you know, the mind just keeps working, and all these strategies that, well, a couple of times I've had to get up out of bed and write down on my journal what I want to do, so I don't lose that, you know, chain of thought. And that's what it's done for me, this program, and this program alone, you know. It really is insane. For the money, it's crazy good. And also, I just want to give a bit of a shout out to a really nice young guy. His name is Matt Parr, and he's doing amazing things with YouTube and helping people out. And there is sessions in the Partner with Anthony program that involve, pardon me, YouTube. There's a link in the description. Matt Parr, it's a free training YouTube video webinar type of thing, and it's stacked full of information to help everybody out. He's done an amazing job with it. It really will help you out. And just remember, if you're interested in learning more, the links are there for you, and you know, just take advantage of everything you can. There's a lot of free information out in this World Wide Web. Use it, and you will find, you know, you're putting all the stuff in, but you'll just decipher the bits that you think that you'll need, and you'll be okay. You know, you really will be okay. Please get involved with the program. It's going to, look, it just gives you a bit of direction. And sometimes in life, no matter what your age, you need a little bit of direction, and it gives you, I'm just speaking from my own experience, it gives you a sense of purpose. It really does. And a sense of achievement every time you just break through those little goals every day, every single day. That's pretty much it for me, guys. Session 20 will be coming out soon, and then we are into the home run, and it's absolutely amazing. Remember, in times like now when we're all isolating and you know, not doing much, try and develop a skill. Teach yourself something, become motivated, and try to help people and give some value back, and it'll come back to you tenfold. It really will. Okay, until then, I'll see you next time. Take care, bye guys. Bye bye.